Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another quick and easy recipe. Today I'm coming at you with another pumpkin spice recipe. This is steel-cut oats prepared in the Instant Pot. If you guys have been enjoying this pumpkin spice series, I want you to give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's go ahead and get started. We're making steel-cut oats today. These are the ones I like to use. I just picked them up at Trader Joe's. If you look at the inside, they're like little rocks. They take forever to cook, but the texture is so wonderful. They're chewy and delicious. Into your Instant Pot, you want to add 1 cup of these oats. It's always going to be 3-to-1 ratio. Your steel-cut oats are going to be 1 cup. And your liquid is going to be 3 cups. I like to do like 2 cups of water and then the rest milk, the milk of your choice. So if you want to use almond milk, oat milk, cashew milk, how many different milks are there out there? Okay, add your oats. These smell so earthy. This is just the base. However you want to season this, not season, but like flavor this is up to you. I'm gonna add a cinnamon stick. I don't know if any of you guys know this, but this flaky cinnamon, in my opinion, see how it's very flaky? Ooh, oh my gosh. This is like the best cinnamon in the world. We're gonna add a little 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and that's just gonna bring out the flavor. You wanna sweeten this. I'm just gonna be using some maple syrup today. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons. Okay, now for the pumpkin, you're gonna need some pumpkin puree. This part, it really is up to you. If you add the pumpkin puree now, it's gonna become like a deep orange color. But if you add it after, like after this is done, you stir it in and it's a really bright and vibrant orange. So for this video, I'm gonna add the pumpkin after. Alright, so get this guy in here. Obviously give it a little mix to get everything incorporated. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot real fast the important parts of the pumpkin spice. We're just gonna add a little bit of this. Pressure cook, high, 4 minutes. And that's it. It's gonna turn on automatically. And now we just wait. So as you can see, I came back to this and it says 16. It's counting up in the timer because that's how much time has passed since the 4 minutes has passed. If you look up here to the Instant Pot, this little thing, ow, it releases steam. So after about 16 minutes, you could go ahead and release. Open it up. Voila! Ow! Oh my god, this steam is so hot. Please be careful. Look at this thing. It's like toxic lava. This is pumpkin puree, and I'm gonna add 1 cup. You can eyeball it. You can add more if you like. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. See how the bottom is... It looks watery on top, but the bottom has all the goodies. Look how firm. It's so firm and just so wonderful. Ooh. Oh, this is going to be so good. I know it's going to taste identical to pumpkin pie. Just to cool it down. And then last but not least, a little sprinkle of some brown sugar. Oh, this will brighten up everybody's morning. It's so yummy. Now for the moments we've all been waiting for, it's taste test time. Oh, this oatmeal looks Pinterest perfect. This just looks like a dessert in a bowl, and then you can feel good like, ooh, I had oatmeal. Oh, excuse me, I had steel-cut oats for breakfast this morning, everyone. Oh. This is dreamy. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm actually sweating right now. I'm gonna close my eyes and imagine it's chilly and we're in autumn. A lot of you have been asking me like, Isabella, why are you coming out with your pumpkin spice series in the beginning of August? And that's because, you guys, I'm working on a little project, so keep your eye out. I have a surprise coming for you. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.